Oh, Auntie B!
Well, it serves you right for tickling my nose.
Sorry. Anyway, that's what I wanted to ask you about. Noses.
What do you call a nose without a body?
I don't know. What do you call a nose without a body?
Nobody knows.
Oh!
Did you get it? Okay, like no body, a nose. Anyway, the nose has several very important functions, including...
Holding up your sunglasses? Uh-huh.
Yes, but also...
This?
Yes. No. Actually, that's brilliant. Will you show me how to do that sometime? Air!
Huh?
One of your nose's most important jobs is to breathe in air, and it takes it in through these clever little fellas here.
Nostrils.
Correct.
The Body Brothers!
So, what can I do for you today?
Well, I need to find out more about eyes. Can you help?
I sure can. Oh, did you get it? I sure can. This is a model of an eye, but much bigger, so we can take a good look at it.
Hey, it's just like a ball.
Correct. It's actually called an eyeball. I'll just take this bit off here.
What's this bit for?
Oh, that's called the iris, and that's what gives your eyes their colour.
Yours are blue.
Yes, and yours are a kind of a greeny blue.
The Body Brothers!
Now, how many teeth do you have?
I'm not sure.
32.
Huh?
You have 32 teeth.
Oh.
And they all come in different shapes and sizes. See if you can guess what they do. Incisors.
Biting.
Correct. Molars.
Chewing because it's flat on top.
Correct. Canines.
I don't know.
Oh, they're for tearing up food. And every tooth has a special place to live. Incisors here at the front, canines next to them, and around the back here, molars.
Ah, I see. Auntie B, could I borrow this tooth?
I suppose so. What for, if you don't mind me asking?
Because I want to, trick the tooth fairy.
The Body Brothers!
What type of bear scares away other animals?
We don't know what type of bear scares away other animals.
Winnie the Pooh.
Hi, Auntie B. What you doing?
Oh, hi, Cian. I'm just repairing these old ballet shoes. Now, what can I do for you?
I need to find out about bears for a bear dance.
Well, I couldn't bear to see you stop. Did you get it? Bear to see you stop. Bear to see you stop. Una, bears, please. Showing bear. There's me with a grizzly bear.
They look so cuddly.
He might look cuddly, but he's not. A hungry grizzly bear will eat pretty much anything it can catch. There's the sloth bear.
Nice hair.
And of course, many people's favourite, the panda bear.
What's he eating?
Bamboo plants. Giant pandas eat lots and lots of them.
I didn't know there were so many kinds of bears. And don't forget, koala bears.
Cian, I'll have to stop you there. You see, koalas aren't bears. They're actually marsupials, which is a completely different type of animal.
Koalas aren't bears. Wait till I tell Cormac.
The Body Brothers!
Auntie B? Auntie B?
Oh, sorry, Cormac. I was just gargling to see if I could get my tongue clean.
What's wrong with your tongue? Ah! That's very blue. Are you all right?
I'm fine. I was just eating blueberries and they turned my tongue all blue.
But that's actually what I wanted to ask you about.
My blue tongue?
Not quite. I need to know more about my mouth.
My favourite part of the mouth, no matter what colour it is the tongue. Because that's what you use to taste things. Hey, Cormac, how am I doing?
Still blue, Auntie B.
Ah, well, at least it matches my eyes. More blueberries. Hey, where are they all gone?
Oh, yeah,
The Body Brothers.
Auntie B, we're going to do a dance about hair. Can you tell me about my hair?
Well, it's lucky you called in when I was watering my plants.
What do you mean?
Because your hair is a bit like this plant here.
No, it is not.
Let me show you what I mean. Look at this plant. The leaves are kind of like your hair, and these are the roots. You usually can't see them because they're buried under the soil. And guess what?
My hair has roots too?
Correct! Now, where did I leave? Here it is.
What is that, Auntie B?
This is a model of what your hair looks like, but much, much bigger than the real thing, obviously. See how the hair has a root, just like my plants?
Oh yeah, there it is.
The Body Brothers.
Nice skipping, Auntie B.
Thanks, Cormac, but I think that this rope is a bit too long. Now, let me guess. You've got a question.
Yep, a really important one. Where do farts come from?
Well, I think we all know the answer to that one, Cormac.
No, I mean, where are farts made?
Oh, well, farts, or flatulence, to give them their proper name, come from a part of the body called the digestive system. Would you like to see it?
Would I like to see my digestive system? Absolutely.
I can show you with my body scanner. Your digestive system takes your food on a journey right through your body. When you swallow food, it goes into a long tube and into your stomach. Inside the stomach, the food gets all mushed up. Hang on.
Auntie B.
Excuse me. Burps are made from gas escaping from the stomach. Good man. Better out than in.
The Body Brothers. Brilliant body fat. Yeah.
Achoo! Oh. Did you know that when you sneeze, most of the sneeze comes out of your mouth and not your nose? And a sneeze can travel at up to 100 kilometers per hour. That's as fast as a car.
Brilliant body fat. Yeah.
That's what I love about Auntie B. She really knows what she's talking about.
Got your nose!
The Body Brothers. Brilliant body fat. Yeah.
Did you know scientists have discovered that laughter can make your heart beat faster, making it stronger and more healthy? So laughing is good for the heart.
Brilliant body fat. Yeah.
What are you doing, Cormac?
I'm making you laugh. You know it's good for your heart.
I do love a good laugh.
And I love my heart. My real heart. Boom, 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 boom.